We'll guide you through how to create a zoom out effect in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by importing the video clip you want to edit. Once your clip is loaded into the timeline, head over to the toolbar on the right-hand side and click on the Effects tab. In the Effects panel, you need to search for Zoom Out, or browse the basic category where you will find it. Drag and drop the zoom out effect onto your video clip in the timeline. To fine-tune the effect, click on the effect layer in the timeline and look at the Properties panel on the right. Here, you can adjust the intensity and duration of the zoom out effect by moving the sliders. If you want the effect to start or end at a specific point, simply drag the edges of the effect layer in the timeline to adjust when the zoom out begins and ends. For a smoother transition, you can also add a keyframe. To do this, click on the video clip in the timeline and then on the keyframe icon at the top of the screen. Set the keyframe at the point where you want the zoom effect to begin, and then move the playhead to where you want the effect to end and set another keyframe. Adjust the scale settings at these points to create a seamless zoom out. Once you are satisfied with the effect, go ahead and preview it to make sure everything looks good. Finally, export your project by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.